In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for free product trials on the SHEIN app. If you've never used this feature before, don't worry, the process is very simple and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do from start to finish. The Free Trial Center inside the app gives eligible users a chance to request certain items, try them out at no cost if selected, and then share feedback afterward. The key is to follow each part of the process carefully so your application is complete and your testing status stays in good standing. To begin, open the SHEIN app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Me icon. This is where you'll find your account-related options and personal settings. After you're on that page, scroll down until you reach the More Services section. In this area, look for the option called Free Trial Center and tap it to open. This section is where SHEIN displays the items currently available for trial. So take your time here and look through the selection carefully. As you browse, you'll see different products that may be available to request. You can select up to 3 products per week, so it's a good idea to choose items you're genuinely interested in and able to review properly if selected. When you find something you want to request, tap Free Trial on that product. Next, the app may ask you to choose details such as your size depending on the item. Make sure you select the correct option so that if you're chosen, the product arrives as expected. After that, confirm your shipping address. Double check that everything is accurate before you submit, since this is the address the item would be sent to. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and submit your request. If your application is selected, you'll receive the item for free. After it arrives, your responsibility is to test it and provide an honest review. This is an important part of the program. Your review should include photos, and it needs to be submitted within 10 days. Being detailed, truthful, and on time helps you maintain your testing status and may support your chances of continuing to participate in future trials. That's the full process. Open the app, go to Me, find the Free Trial Center, choose up to 3 items, confirm your details, and submit your request. If selected, test the item and post your honest photo review within the required time frame.